guys, and welcome back to my channel. I think I've mentioned before that I'm running out of, or I am basically all out of my hair care products, or at least my favorites, and I still gotta clean this hair. Okay, so today I'm gonna be using my rejects slash not favorites slash not even my own products, and I also go in and make a deep conditioner, which, spoiler alert, doesn't go to plan. So I've been wearing my hair in these two braids for the last 3 or 4 days, and my hair is honestly so dry, feels so horrible. So I literally have to do something with it. And if I'm being honest, I should have bought something to take proper care of my hair, but I didn't want to go to the store because, coronavirus. And I didn't want to spend my money. Like, that's the most important part. I didn't want to spend my coins. So that's how I got to this point, which is using products that my hair doesn't like, or that I just don't like, or that just really don't work for my like bleached hair. So honestly, the only reason I even have this product is because I wasn't reading what I was picking up. I got the shampoo and the conditioner of this same line, and I just assumed this was a deep conditioner because it was right next to it. It's in a deep conditioner kind of jar, but it is not a deep conditioner. And I also need to use these things up, so when I get the new ones in, I can just start using those right away because I don't like to waste products. And this is just not something worth giving away, to be honest. And when you guys see me like scrunching up my face, it's not because I'm being rough or like I'm hurting myself or I'm being like too aggressive with my hair, but it's just because this clay mask feels like nothing on my hair. It's not helping me detangle, it's not moisturizing, and I can't really be mad at it because it doesn't claim to do any of those things. It just says it's a detox mask, but like, what is that even? And also, I was actually a little nervous because I didn't know if this charcoal clay mask would affect my hair color. I wouldn't have mattered, like I wouldn't have mind if it stripped some of the color because I'm going to touch it up in this video anyway, but I didn't want it to darken my hair strands. Okay, so this shampoo, it's not really a reject. I actually liked it. It just doesn't work with my bleached hair. Like, my bleached hair doesn't like it. It doesn't feel as good on my bleached ends as it does on my roots. And I'm the kind of person that goes off of how something feels. So on my like still brown hair, it's perfect, but on the ends, it's not, it doesn't do what it should. So I am also running out of deep conditioners. So I ended up having to make this deep conditioner mix right here, which consists of a couple of tablespoons of honey, the last bit of this deep penetrating moisture restore treatment. So I had to use a packet, this honey, castor oil, some of my Ayurvedic oil mix, and just some of this regular deep, to me it's not even a deep conditioner, regular conditioner that I borrowed from my aunt. And then because I feel like my color is like it needs a bit of a touch up, I'm just gonna put some of my rinse color into this deep conditioning mix, just to give it a little sprucing up. I have no idea how the color is gonna come out, but I'm cool with whatever. So just gonna give this a mix, and it is pretty thin looking. That's okay. So this is how it looks now. Bring it a little closer. Very, very thin, but I'm gonna make it work. And guess what? I didn't make it work. I didn't make it work. I just used it even though it didn't feel good on my hair. I don't know. I have nothing positive to say about this deep conditioner mix other than it was a good vehicle to get the color into my hair. And like, I just hate how these products make it look like I'm being so rough and aggressive with my hair. Like, I'm really not this aggressive. It just has zero slip. and it doesn't help me detangle my hair, and that's frustrating to watch. All right, y'all. So we reached the end of this wash day fail. I mean, my hair looks all right. It looks presentable, but it still doesn't feel the greatest. I don't know. I don't know what to say, y'all. I failed. Has anybody ever failed a wash day? Is it possible? Did I do something new? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any video ideas, put them down in the comments below. And I love you guys. Bye.